pharmacovigilance reasons are mainly three: the data volume and complexity. As I have mentioned, the number of drugs in the marketing are increased. So analyzing and managing all this data can be strain the infrastructure and resources, which leads to the late submissions or also confusions and human errors in it. So due to that, the regulatory demands such as FDA, regulatory bodies, demands for the quick report of the adverse drug reactions or event, so which requires additional staff and new technology to be implemented in the pharmacovigilance in order to ensure the patient safety.
Risk of specific population of recent drug that can affect any specific population. Evolving regulation. Regulatory bodies worldwide are updating pharmacovigilance guidelines to keep pace with the specific technological advancement. So recently, FDA and EMA association with pharmacovigilance has been improved very much progressively, which provides newer guidelines and which ensures patient safety and compliance. Patient engagement. Patients are applying a more active role in reporting adverse event and driving the need of streamlined safety monitoring. So newer like
not be attracted. So we need something like that same ADI will use the AI or the machine learning or deep learning which the other apps uses, and by doing so we will analyze the compounds, we will analyze the salts which can be helpful for retailers. We will give information about the drugs, so the students will use it and the health professionals will use it. Then by this awareness will increase, and if the awareness will increase, the users will increase. And there are statistics. According to statistics, more data is equal to more accuracy. So if the more data will get, the accuracy will increase. At some point it will just get better and better. So the suspected ADRs or the black box warning, which we say, because black box is like by FDA there is a potential warning of side effect, even though mostly don't even happen, like ciprofloxacin.
To speaking about the regulatory authority in India, we have the Central Drug of Standard Control and Organization (CDSCO). So it differs in different countries. Like we have MHRA, US FDA. So we have different. The most standard we consider is US FDA. So the basic overview of ICR submissions, like as I said before, after a case, all we as a student, all we know is the case.
Problem here is underreporting. Like lot of patients in healthcare professional HCPs saying that they don't need to report because serious areas are already been well documented. That's what they think. Casualty is uncertain. Healthcare system, which is a big myth. Then reporting a single case doesn't have. It is another big myth. But let me tell you the stats. Less than 10% of all serious areas are reported, and only like 2 to 6% of non-serious areas are reported. As you can see in the graph here, India do not even stand under 10 when it comes to stats of well-documented reports. It's like
its application is that data extraction, that is it extracts relevant ADR information from unstructured sources like clinical notes, research publication, and social media posts. Then automated care narratives, that is generate structured summaries of adverse event reports from free text descriptions. Then social media monitoring, which is that it analyzes the patient discussions and feedbacks on its application is that data extraction, that is it extracts relevant ADR information from unstructured sources like clinical notes, research publication, and social media posts. Then automated care narratives, that is generate structured summaries of adverse event reports from free text descriptions. Then social media monitoring, which is that it analyzes the patient discussions and feedbacks on
and reactions with that normal paracetamol things. It might be a reported already, if not it reported already, but he told me not to like come forward and just to report and just think I have reported. This makes the sense, because here people what doing wrong, like they are not reporting it. Same if a person who is living in the city has have this kind of mentality, then what about the remote areas? So if you are jumping into the AI, they will not understand the things, because more or getting applications, because most of the people in the remote areas don't know, like in the village or cultural peoples, they won't have the
program. So I wanted to explore this more and upgrade my skills and knowledge. So can you please guide me some basics that I should learn as a if I want to explore
Sure,
more
sure.
about.
The thing is, our society is time to time conducting the events related to pharmacovigilance, related to the health economics outcome research and medical writing type of things as well. We are covering because it's like this society is not only for pharmacy students, not for medical student. It's like blend of people who work in industry. We have a student, we have a faculties. It's like a complete society for everyone who fall under the healthcare profession. So you can just stay connect with us. You will get definitely a lot of learning. We are also conducting events free of cost as well, monthly, and we are also offering a lot of services in upcoming months. We already have a medical publishing house as well. You can also publish your article at free of cost in our journals. We have different type of journal in Society of Clinical Research and Medical Professionals. If you are willing to, if you need a DOI number, you just have to pay a very miscellaneous amount like 159 or 160. That's it. If you don't need DOI number, then it is fully waived for students. So a lot of things we have in our society and lot of things is going to come, like you can also publish in future your book in the any domain, like whatever you want to publish, we can also help you in that as well. We also having a like health kingdom pharmacy magazine with ISSN number. So that is the more valuable thing. If you achieved anything, for example, in your pharmacy college, like you won any type of prize, you can send us your achievement. We can cover at free of cost. This type of things you have to add in your CV. So this is the platform for all the pharmacy students, for all the industry people, for all the academicians. So I hope I resolve your doubt.
Yes, sir.